this is Ina with Inichka Chef and welcome to my kitchen. Today on episode we are making pancakes. Not regular pancakes, but banana pancakes. Super simple, only 3 ingredients, and in 10 minutes we'll have beautiful breakfast. This is healthy pancakes. I have to mention, New Year resolution always require eating healthy, right? So for this recipe, only few ingredients we need. Ripe bananas, looking sad. That's exactly what we want. Eggs, coconut flour or almond flour, whichever you like, whichever you prefer, or whichever you have. So it's very low carb pancakes as well. Pinch of salt, only if you wish. It's totally option. And for frying, we need some oil. I like to use for them coconut oil or ghee. It's clarified butter, basically. All those two options. But if you don't have, or if you prefer olive oil, it will work as well. So let's do it. Use any blender or anything. The less you work with these pancakes, the better they come out. It's my favorite pancakes. Since I'm not pancake person, those pancakes I make for myself at least once a week. And my boys love them. Just pinch. Usually I use 2 eggs, but since bananas are so big, I'm using 3 eggs. And now about flour. About 2 tablespoons, we'll see. 2 bananas, 2 tablespoons of flour. I'll probably add a tiny bit more of flour. We're looking like for sour cream consistency. That's about right. Now time to cook. Add some coconut oil. And on medium-low heat, oh yeah, it's hot. Next, first side, we're ready to flip. Quick and easy. This is my pretty much the most common breakfast, and I like to top with fresh cream fresh or homemade yogurt, or really anything, Greek yogurt. I love it. So nice dollop, healthy dollop of creaminess, or cream, whipped cream, whichever you prefer, and some berries. And let's dig in. Absolutely yummy, slightly sweet. You don't need any maple syrup or anything. Delicious. Today in the episode we are making Ukraine cheese pancakes called sirniki. I grew up with those pancakes, high protein, good for you. And they're so fluffy and delicious. They're soft, almost like custardy inside. You crispy outside because we're going to fry them, pan fry, and soft, slightly sweet inside. It's so delicious. And for the ingredients we need, the main ingredients, farmer's cheese. Do you remember we made, not a while ago, I posted this recipe video how to make this cheese. But if you don't make, if you buy farmer's cheese, which is not a problem, all you need to do, drain a little bit liquid, and I will show you how to do it. So if you buy farmer's cheese, use some kind of colander and double coffee filter, double. Place, dump your cheese here and drain. And after a couple hours, you will have something looking like this, quite a bit on the drier side. Something between, I would say between ricotta and feta cheese, something in between. That's exactly the consistency you want. If you buy it in many European stores around America, you can find this cheese under the name Twaroc in the refrigerator section, and go for the about 5% fat. That would be the goal. Don't go low. No fat is not good. No, tastes good, not good. Farmer's cheese doesn't have that high smoke point like, for example, halloumi cheese, so you can fry. That's why we cook on a medium heat and a low to medium, and we're going to not target as a very high fat cheese, just because it's going to melt during cooking. So that's why if you buy cheese, 5%. If you make it, I will link below how to make, and whole milk, that's the milk I recommend to make it. Cottage cheese. Another ingredient is the flour. Not much, as you see, regular all-purpose organic unbleached unbromide flour, little bit of sugar, 1.5 tablespoon, which is mean nothing for this amount of cheese, pinch of salt, I would say half teaspoon, 2 egg yolks and 1 egg, vanilla extract if you wish. And we're going to top this delicious pancake with some fresh strawberries since it's in season, raw local honey and creme fraiche. So add to the bowl. You can use electric mixer for this, but it's so simple recipe, and we need 500 grams of cheese. It's a little bit more than 1 pound. You're going to smash with just regular fork to a smooth consistency, so it's all looks the same. Add salt, sugar, flour, 1 egg and 2 egg yolks, and a little bit of vanilla extract. I would say 1 teaspoon at least, but it's optional. Vanilla extract is optional. And now mix all together. Oh, they smell delicious already. And I recommend to use scoop. Put in flour. And just with your knife, press gently, little bit. As little flour as possible to use. The number 1. I like to remove extra flour, as little as possible, but with knife it's nice to make the same. Do you want now how to make this delicious cheese pancakes? High in protein and probiotic. It's so good for you. Easy to make, and it took a few minutes and we made 1 dozen. And to cook them, I like to use cast iron pans since I'm addicted to cast iron pans. So that's what I'm using. Also for the oil, I'm not very big fan of vegetable oil, so I'm using coconut oil organic, or you can use clarified butter. That would be my first choice. Ghee, clarified butter, I just don't have at the moment, so I'm using coconut oil. But in Ukraine, most people cook on the oil or butter. More oil. Oops. Be careful, they're very delicate. on low medium heat. Look at this, we made 12. Oh, this smells so good. I cannot wait to taste them. And taste like home, by the way. I miss Ukraine so much, and this one of those comfortable breakfast or afternoon school snack. Delicious, delicious pancakes. Let's taste them. And I like to garnish them generously with honey and cream fraiche and fresh strawberries. Strawberries because it's a season. You can use whatever you want. My mom did some kind of jam, fruit, strawberry, or cherries, or really anything would be delicious. Look at this. Healthy dose of local raw honey. That's how I like. And cream fraiche. And I will link below how to make cream fraiche. I have blog and a very delicious and healthy ingredient, which is I try to convince you to make your own cream fraiche. If not, use sour cream or Greek yogurt. Also some strawberries. Oh, so good. So delicious. Baby loves farmer's cheese pancakes. Sirniki. I hope you enjoyed this video. And as you see, I got help to taste. It's so delicious. It's so nutritious. Please make these pancakes for special occasion, for Mother's Day coming up, or really for some breakfast or brunch, right? And share with your friends. Don't forget to feed your family. Delicious, nutritious, and cooking from scratch recipes. Give me like and subscribe. Bye. See you next time.